Hi, my name is AZLIN. So I will explain about the definition of information technology. So basically, the term information technology was first appeared in a 1958 article published in the Harvard Business Review. So the authors was Harold J. Levitt and Thomas L. Whistler. So they both mention how there is no single name established yet for the new technology, and they both suggested to call it information technology or IT, where the term is commonly used as a synonym for computers and computer networks, yet also encloses other information distribution technologies such as television and telephones. So generally, information technology or IT is the computer-based information system that consists of study, design, development, implementation, support, or management, especially software applications and computer hardware. So IT workers are responsible in ensuring that computers are working well for people. So almost every company, from the smallest independent business or software design company, even the biggest manufacturer, will requires workers from information technology field because this to ensuring their business running smoothly. And this is said by industry experts themselves. So to add more, another definition for information technology, that information technology are a system of hardware or software that capture, process, exchange, store and present information using electrical, magnetic or electromagnetic energy. So to give example, with a scenario, capture where a web designer captures multimedia information. Number 2, process, where a web server processes information. Number 3, exchange, where information is exchanged from a web server to a laptop. Number 4, store, where a web server store content. And number 5, present, where information is conveyed to a user's laptop. So in short, IT is often used to store, retrieve, transmit and manipulate data or information, and usually in the context of business or other enterprise. So next, IT is important in the nature of a business, as technologies offers many purposes in a business because of how easy it is, and it helps in saving time and resources. So the benefit of information technology is efficient and punctual delivery of products and services. Next is better understanding of customer behavior leads to higher sale. Number 3 is reducing human or machine error, as well as cost efficient due to less staff hours. So the last one is improve resource planning through detailed, accurate and timely financial information.
Good morning, Doctor. My name is Young. Now we go to the review of the issue, and I will present the overview for information technology or management sector. In the modern era, management sector play important role for economical and weather development in most of the country. With the development of modern technology, management sector is successfully for continued development, such ultimately the management process, include mass production and more. Originally, management sector is used some material like ceramic, stone and more to convert various types of artifacts. Nowadays, management sector is adding value to raw material or converting the material into goods to instead use the modern technology and machine. Since 18th century until now, management sector already faced several industry revolution. In first industry revolution is focused on seeing as power engine and instead use the machine to repair the human fault. After that, the second industry revolution being the idea of electrification. Later that, third industry revolution included computing technology, information technology, space technology, automotive technology, and more. And now we are on to adhere the fourth intelligent the goal for intelligent innovation, such as smart methodology. And the fourth intelligent innovation is focused on big data analysis, IoT technology, and others. Even there, information technology should play important roles for metabolic operation today. In fact, information technology refers to professional knowledge and skill about the process of processing information, like obtain information, store information, synthesize information, and more. Actually, the popular information product like mobile phone, computer, and more bring more the information and data remain in internet, and it has number of data that we cannot processing with conventional tools, but it can be the useful information and data for our potential improvement. Similarly, mass production in metabolic sector also require more for the information. So, information technology and IoT technology can support the goal for intelligent regulation, such as smart manufacturing, automation, artifact intelligence system, smart factory in copper production sector, and more. That is all for my part. Thank you.
I will present about the 3 challenges faced by manufacturing industry using information technology. First, cybersecurity. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, many manufacturers use their website to attract their customers. At the same time, manufacturers are facing cybersecurity challenges. For example, in the limitation of this condition, the use of video and online chat is more prominent. Many manufacturers need to ensure their employees use secure internet to protect their enterprise and customers. In addition, cyber attacks will also have other impact on manufacturers, such as company performance and credibility. From data breaches to hacker attacks, companies face the real possibility of major losses caused by cyber incidents. Second, data management. All manufacturers have a large amount of data, such as technology platforms that continuously generate data about production line, supply chain, and employee performance. The problem is that this data may still not be integrated. For example, employee performance data may not be able to inform production line activity. The failure of the manufacturer employees to manage the data will affect the company forecast of product demand and inventory management. At the same time, each part and product cannot be explained in a way that is efficient and optimized for production. Last, downtime. Many manufacturers face downtime problems during the production process. Especially unscheduled downtime is the killer of the company to earn profit. When a serious problem such as shutdowns, system failure, or power outage are encountered during the manufacturing process, manufacturers will face data disaster. This is because production data is not stored in the database, so the manufacturer needs to restart the production from the first step to the last step. Therefore, the manufacturer will waste a lot of time and money in the production process, which will lead to a decline in the manufacturer productivity and thus reduce the company profit.
Hello, my name is CHIEN. I will continue to present discussions. Most companies use information technology to improve their work efficiency and produce higher quality products. Companies can combine technology with better process to reduce costs while improving the quality of service they provide. We are focused on food manufacturing industry. Ways of information technology reduce costs are through predictive scheduling, attract better customer participation, reduce material and energy costs, use online software, and keeping trace of information. Next, through predictive scheduling. Most companies face labor costs and lost revenue due to overscheduling. When using information technology, that is when manager can access incomplete information about customer needs. They can perform scheduling tasks to help make the best prediction or decision. Manager in the food manufacturing industry can predict demand for future and make appropriate decisions based on existing information, which can help companies prepare enough manpower to meet demand. This can reduce the employee compensation that the industry should pay, and it will not cause wastage of manpower. Next way are attract better customer participation. Information technology provides great flexibility for the food manufacturing industry, especially when working directly with customers. This system can directly open parallel communication between the company and customer. Currently, a large number of customers purchase items through online, and information technology has begun to integrate client portals. Customers can log in and enter relevant documents to display item information. Food manufacturing industry can also add or modify products through the system and send automatic updates regularly, so that customers can get or understand the latest information, which can attract customer participation. This can help companies reduce time spent on unnecessary things, operate more efficiently, and reduce the cost of the company. Third is reduce material and energy costs. By recurring efficient technology, people can use green technology with good reason. In this process, it can complete the same amount of work for the company and also protect the environment, which can greatly save the company expenses. It is essential for the food manufacturing industry to use air conditioners to ensure the freshness of food. Through information technology, the air conditioner is designed and updated to keep the working area of the industry at the best temperature and save energy. It can also prevent the material from being stored for a long time from damage, which can reducing the cost of the materials.
My name is Tian, and I'll continue to present the ways of information technology reduce costs. The other way is increase the mobility of efficiency. In manufacturing industry, employees are no longer restricted to the confines of the workplace to complete a mechanized task. This is enable individuals to work wherever is most convenient for them, and they may get the information they want from any device at any time. This is done with the use of mobile application and online software. Mobile application can help the companies to do their works easier. With so many people and businesses utilizing smartphones, obtaining what you need while on the road is as simple as click through application. Timekeeping may be quickly updated through smartphones, which is a wonderful alternative to the conventional pen and paper technique. For the online software, the staff may be anywhere and still obtaining the information they need quickly and without wasting precious time. Workers' increased mobility may contribute to faster response times, as more consumers and clients want repeat answers. Being able to conclude a project swiftly equals more cash on hand down the line. The next is keeping track on information. This is seen it can aid in the avoidance of errors while implementing complete automation in the business. You may have the application generate reports at various intervals that allow you to track project deadlines, accounting, or any number of other important information. Preventing errors can help to decrease waste in the manufacturing process while also saving money. It is easy to lose sight of where you are in the project or how you got there when you are automate everything.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad JAMAL, AP180346. For my part, I will explaining about conclusion and recommendation. Okay, in conclusion, relevant information technology can have a positive impact, especially in terms of cost, if the worker use the information technology properly in the manufacturing industry. Information technology is one of the important components that can create a relationship between employee and the production system. If the use of information technology is ignored by industry, then the industry will lose competitiveness either locally or globally. At the same time, the cost of managing a manufacturing industry will be more expensive compared to industry that utilize the information technology. Technology enables industry workers to make better decisions in terms of transportation, supply chain, and production system. This decision making like this allow the industry to achieve maximum profit level by cutting unnecessary and wasteful costs. But this don't mean that information technology only have positive effect. Information technology can have a positive or negative impact on the industry. This existence of both effect is dependent on the purpose and the manner in which industry workers apply the technology, either in right way or the wrong way. For recommendation, my first recommendation is to enable the increasing application of information technology in manufacturing industry. Organization need to provide program or training to their employee. This can increase the knowledge of information technology among the industry worker. In this way, the application of technology can further expanded in the industry because employee know information technology that allow them to perform some action and decision making based on the knowledge of information technology that they have. For my second recommendation is the industry should also encourage the use of information technology by providing appropriate and up-to-date facility, tools, and software to their employee. This is because information technology knowledge that their employee have will not be able to apply in the industry if the appropriate tool and software are not available. Although these tools and software require a cost to purchase, but in the long run, the software and tools will save and cutting cost more. If the industry does not provide appropriate tools and software, then they will lose a lot of money also. Okay, thank you.